Welcome to HR Chronicle, the best HR and payroll management software in the Middle East. In today's video, we'll show you how to delete a registered device in HR Chronicle.
Hi, Seema.
Hey Sarah, what happened? You look so worried.
I lost my old phone, and I just got a new one. I've been trying to log into employee self-service to check in my attendance, but it keeps showing an error.
Oh no, that's frustrating.
Yes, my new device isn't allowing me to check in.
Don't worry. You just need to ask HR to delete your old device. Once that's done, you can register your new one easily.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yes, only HR has the access to delete registered devices.
Hi, HR. Could you please delete my old device so I can log in from my new one?
Sure, Sarah. Here's how it's done. Log into HR Chronicle. Navigate to Time and Attendance. Under Attendance, select Register Devices. Find the employee's old device in the list. Click Delete. That's it. The device has been deleted successfully.
Perfect. I can now check in and check out from my new phone without any issues.
That's great, Sarah. Problem solved.
For more helpful HR Chronicle tutorials and updates, subscribe to our channel. HR Chronicle, the best HR and payroll management software in the Middle East. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.